The next thing I want to show you in assignments is a really neat feature that I like. If you want assignments all look the exact same, you can actually create a template for every student in the classroom. So you're going to come into classwork, create assignment. You're going to title it. This is going to be called first quarter. Shouldn't be talking and typing at the same time. There we go. First quarter goal. And I'll just say complete the template for your goal. I do have a Grammarly there. If you're wondering what that red pops up in this little green circle, it's the Grammarly extension. It's a great one for helping if you struggle with typing and things like that for spelling and or grammar. So I can come in now. I'm going to change this to 10 points. I'm going to just put the due date to be at the end of the first week, so that Friday. And here's one thing that is really neat. So now when I come into my drive, because I just worked on this and created it, it's going to be the first thing I have here. This is my template for my first quarter goal, and I'm going to add it. Once it's added to there, the first thing it will say is students can view this file, which means they cannot edit the file, they can only see it. If you click on the drop down, you can click students can edit the file. That would be collaboratively, so they all are working on the exact same document at the same time. So that's for one feature. Or you can make a copy for each student. If it's make a copy for each student, every student will get the exact same looking template that they will fill out. And so you can use this for research papers, you can use it for other things. So that way all of your research papers look the exact same. So that way you're not having to go through and try to figure out where they put this or that. You can already pre-create the headings or things like that as you want. Or again, you can create a collaborative document if you want to do that here, which you can assign to just some students if you want a small group to be working on something specific, an enrichment or a reteach group especially. So again, that's how to make an assignment. When you assign it automatically, now every student in my classroom just got a copy of that template, and now they can go in. It will already have their name attached to the top of it in the assignment, and it will all be organized and categorized right in that one post right here. All I have to do is click on it, and it will show me who's turned it in and completed it. I will automatically be able to see what work they've done. They don't have to share it with me. All they have to click on is turn in when they're done, and it will turn it in. Because I did put a due date on there, if they turn it in late, I will get a notification saying they turned it in late. For those of you that give different things, deduct points for late assignments or things like that. So that's how you create a template to share with all of your students for any assignment that you want.